Today we are calculating LR1 item, construct CLR1 and LALR1 parser. So we can say simply S tends to dot AB comma A. So this is LR0 item and A is look ahead symbol. So this is called LR1 item. So here comma is separator, comma is a separator, but it is not part of grammar. It's not part of grammar. So let's take an example and look ahead symbol which come next after that. So that is called look ahead symbol. Suppose we have a grammar like this: G tends to S tends to A grammar is there, and A tends to A oblique B. That grammar is given to us. So how we are going to calculate LR1? So as before, augmented grammar G dash. So S tends to S, comma S tends to AA, and A tends to AA oblique B, augmented grammar. And then we will calculate closure. Then S dash tends to dot S comma dollar. This is called LR1 item. So how are we going to write it? Next we'll write S dash tends to dot S comma dollar, and S tends to dot A, that is A comma dollar, and A tends to dot AA comma A oblique B, and dot B comma A oblique B. Now what is this dollar? Initially we are doing only this in LR0 item, but this is LR1 item. What is the difference? Here augmented grammar is same, closure is same, we are writing good. And what we are doing? Dot S comma is the separator and A is the lookahead symbol. What is this? That is called lookahead symbol because S is what? S is the start symbol. So what is the we can say it's first of S is dollar because S is a start symbol, and first of A is A oblique B. So A oblique B. So how we calculate first? We all know. So we need to add first at the end by comma in LR1 item. S tends to dot S as LR0 item, comma what is the first? So S dash first because this is the start symbol, so it will be dollar, and first of A, from here it is clear, A oblique B. So A oblique B we are going to write. So this is the way of calculating LR0 item. So we can say the definition, or we can say the closure of LR1 item I is equal to, first is what we do, add I and the second, what we do, if A tends to B dot C D E comma A oblique B is I and C tends to E, that C tends to E, F, G is in G, or we can say grammar, then we add C tends to dot E, F, G, comma first of E, F, G, first of D, first of D, E, comma A oblique B. So what we need to calculate first. So if A, first we add I as we have done here, closer. Then what we do, A tends to B dot C D E comma A B is I, and C tends to E F G in grammar. Then add C tends to dot E F G and comma first of D E. After that, whatever is there, first of D E comma A B we add. So this is the way how we can calculate LR1 item, or we can say go to function. This is closer and go to function. What we need to do, go to I comma X, that is item LR1, or we can say the input, and X is the input. This is LR1 item and X is the input. So what we do here, first add I by moving dot after X, add I as we have done here by moving dot after X, and second what we do, closure of first step. This is the definition of calculating the closure and go to function in LR1 item to construct CLR1 and LALR1 grammar. So in the next lecture we will see this thing with the example.